Hey YouTube viewers, HO Scale Model Railroad tonight. Alright, starting with my platform here. Built some switchboards, which I'm able to pull up and lock. I don't know if you can see or not, but I installed toggle switches, which you can switch tracks back and forth. I have them placed in the middle because if you can see over here, I'm going to get junk everywhere. The train will come down here, and automatically this one needs to be switched also. So if you want to come down this, you would also have to switch this. Figure, hook them together, and they would be easier to control, less buttons, less switches. On the less switches and buttons aspect, I went out and I purchased the Prodigy Advanced Squared DCC controller. Years past, I've used tons of controllers and selectors and all the fancy switches you can buy from the hobby shop to control my trains, make them go wherever I wanted, and it was kind of a pain in the butt. So this year I went with the DCC. Makes it a lot nicer. As you see here, just got basic throttle, big red stop button, an enter, and also accelerator button. Different numbers to control different functions for sounds and what have you. If you can look here, you can actually get pretty complicated, but for me, I'm just using the 2-wire setup. Just hooking 2 wires to the track, be able to control as much as I want this year. One thing about the DCC is everything is more expensive. This year I bought, for me, my most expensive train ever. It's an Athearn BN SF 851 diesel, sound equipped with a Tsunami. Let's see if we can get this fired up. Put this in here. This is kind of maybe even a mini show of how easy the Prodigy is. Oh, here I've taken the case apart for it and actually put 2 screws. The case actually comes down like this. It's a little box. You kind of go along the lines of this track here. And I just took it apart and put 2 screws here and mounted it to my 2x4. I have this nice little operating table. Make sure my switches are in the right place. I'm gonna plug that system in. Have it all disconnected for my glue guns and Dremel tools. Here we go. Probably not going to be able to go around the whole track because it's too cluttered. Pretty much hook typical 2 wires up, spin the knob, and off you go.